It is now official. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Manipur on the 13th of this month. Highly reliable sources have confirmed to SKTV that the BJP central leadership has communicated the decision to the state BJP leadership, making Modi's visit to the state officially confirmed. According to the itinerary, the Prime Minister will begin his visit in Churachandpur, where he is expected to interact with internally displaced persons and address a public rally. From there, he will travel by helicopter to Imphal, landing at around 2:20 p.m. In Imphal, Prime Minister Modi will address a gathering at the historic Kangla Fort and is expected to spend about an hour in the city before departing for Assam. Meanwhile, preparations are in full swing. This morning, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla chaired a high-level meeting at Raj Bhavan, attended by former Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, 23 BJP MLAs and BJP Manipur Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sharda. It is understood that the meeting focused solely on ensuring the success of the Prime Minister's visit, with no discussions held on the formation of a popular government in the state. It also been confirmed that Modi's visit will not involve any meetings with different BJP MLA factions in the state. However, BJP MLAs have been reportedly meeting at undisclosed locations until the time of filing this report. A meeting of BJP Manipur Pradesh officials and BJP MLAs is scheduled for tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. at Thambal Sanglen. In preparation for the Prime Minister's visit, Imphal city is being beautified and security has been significantly tightened at Kangla. Meanwhile, it's now confirmed that Kurai MLA Laisangthem Susindro did not attend the Raj Bhavan meeting this morning. Contrary to earlier SKTV reports, he is currently in New Delhi.